to the Independence Arena in Charlotte, North Carolina, as Cook's Champagne on Ice continues. Bob Varsha along with Judy Blumberg and Christopher Bowman. Glad to have you with us. This is 1992 Olympic gold medalist Viktor Petrenko of the Ukraine.
Viktor Petrenko turned Victor Borga may have some big surprises for us tonight.
Of too many other skaters who have stepped so easily from the role of Olympic champion, especially from the former Soviet Union, into the role of seasoned professional performer and crowd pleaser the way Viktor Petrenko has.
Well, you know, Bob, he's worked very hard, and I think he had some seasons where maybe the choice of music was unfortunate, but this year he's come back to really concentrating on what will work and performing it well. Like that.
Fabulous triple toe loop jump. This seems a little bit more introverted for Viktor. Still a dramatic and very interesting piece.
There's not a lot that's introverted about that, though. I really feel he's taking a risk with this piece, and I like that. Some of the stuff he's done, it's just been the same, and this is something different.
Most of his material is always geared to the audiences. This seems to be geared more to the skating.
Back from a slight training injury, he slipped on the ice and gave himself a nasty knock on the head. Kept him out of our Legends competition here on ESPN earlier this fall.
He's also skating for a different reason now, having just had a daughter, and I think it's fulfilled his life in a much different way than winning the Olympic gold medal.
Well, they say that having children sometimes makes you a better person, but I can't think of a better person than Viktor Petrenko as a competitor, as a professional, always a gentleman, tremendous athlete, and a joy to watch.
A nice round of applause for Viktor Petrenko.
Maestro Viktor Petrenko.
Little Victoria, Daddy will be home soon.
Here comes the double axel. Tremendous height. His overextended hands above the head landing, a trademark for Viktor Petrenko.
New daddy Viktor Petrenko. We'll see the former Olympic champion.